CATIA V5 generative shade design. So I received the following comment: how do you use spine option in styling fillet? So it's the question from Andy. Now within CATIA, this comment was for the styling fillet video, and the styling fillet doesn't have a spine option. So as we can see over here, there is no input for that. So we have the selection, we have the continuity over here, we have the radius, but there aren't any spine options. So we only have a curve set over here, but this is not a spine. Now regarding spines, for example, if we're gonna go for edge fillet, if I will extend this to more, we're gonna see that over here we can hold the curve and also add a spine. So for example, if I want to define a shape fillet between those two faces, by default this will be the output. So we see this will just generate a surface on top of the volumetric face over here. But in this case, for example, if I would add that as a spine, the following output will be like this. So if I will increase the radius to maybe 10 in this case, we're gonna see that this will be the output. So this is with the spine, so we see how that will go. If I will clear this, if I will hit preview, we're gonna see that without a spine, we're gonna have the radius defined like this. So this will be 10 millimeters, but for example, with this spine, that profile will be changed and it will look like that. So we have spine option under fillet definition. If I will go for edge definition, we're going to have the spine option enabled over here, but we're going to set by default this will be grayed out. If I will, for example, select this edge, since this is edge fillet, with a radius of 35, the following result will appear over here. So we see that radius. Now, if I want to enable the spine over here, I need to enable the variation for the fillet. Also tick the circle fillet over here, and afterwards, if I will add the same spine like previously, we're gonna see that the result will look like this. So if I will add a value of 10, just like we had previously within shape fillet, this will be the output. So within edge fillet, we have the possibility to add a spine. Now, for the following fillet, this will be the styling fillet. Just like I said previously, this doesn't have any option for a spine, at least within CATIA V5 under my version over here. So let me know if you have the possibility to add a spine for a styling fillet, because I'm really curious about that. And we also have the face-to-face fillet, which this will have a spine selection over here. So for example, just like we saw previously within my face-to-face fillet, I can select those two faces. If I will hit preview, this will be the output, and I can add the following section in order to have that as a whole curve. And if I will add the spine over here, this will be the profile. I will click OK so we can better visualize. So we see the shape over here. And if I will change the spine, for example, to a simple line, I will clear the selection and I will add this. Take a look at this profile. So over here we have this curvature. If I will hit preview, we're going to see that that curvature will now go downwards. So if I will check this from here, we're going to see that if, for example, I will go within the left view over here, we're gonna see, so that is the initial fillet, and now with the second spine, which is a line, the profile will look like this. And we also have the possibility to define a tri-tangent fillet, but as you can see, this will not have the spine option. And for this, I haven't created the video yet, but I will create that within the following days. So I'm really curious, let me know in the comment section if you managed to add a spine to a styling fillet, because I'm really curious about that, since I haven't managed to find a solution. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. Let me know in the comment section what are, let's say, some other questions, just like Andy asked over here, how we can add a spine to styling fillet. And maybe someone within the comment section will give us the answer. So I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.